Here we have the Jynxbox Android HD 4 gig. As you can see, here's the specifications. It has pre-installed XBMC, and another side has the full description. Full HD 1080p, 1 gig RAM, Android 4.0 operating system, Bluetooth ready, micro SD, card reader, 3 USBs, Wi-Fi. Okay, now we're going to unbox it. On top we have the Jynxbox Android HD. Comes with a sticky plastic on it. At the front you've got see clearly, you can see the infrared port. On the side you've got 2 USBs and a micro SD port. At the back you've got, at the back, let me focus in for you. See clearly you've got a wireless LAN, a USB, a HDMI, a DC power in, and a power button. The other side clearly has nothing there. At the back it just shows the serial number and the model numbers. Just put that aside and we'll just see what else is inside the box. Here we have the remote control. Nice slick remote control that has a power button on it, volume mute button, a home button, information button. It looks like that's a menu button, a repeat back button, zoom in and a zoom out button. Looks quite nice and slick with the infrared button on the side. Looks like it takes a small battery inside as well. Okay, let's see what else is inside the box. Okay, look inside, we've got a DC power in, 2-pin one. Like it's a micro USB lead, and they also supply a HDMI cable, which is really good. Okay, I'll do another video shortly to go through the whole description on screen and show you what they look like. Please click like and subscribe to me. Thank you.